Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and if you haven't noticed, it's November, which means it's the holiday season, okay? Look, I can appreciate the holidays now because I don't work retail anymore, okay? I hated the holidays forever. It was the worst time to be alive. But now that I'm free from that, I can really enjoy it, and it's been so great. If you work retail, I'm really sorry, okay? Just power through. You're gonna get out of there. I believe in you. I went to Sephora. I got holiday sets. I personally love their holiday sets. I look forward to them. I used to work at Sephora. I was there for like 5 years, and these always got me excited every year because they're such a great deal. You get a lot for your money. Let's start with, this is the Stila All That Shimmers Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. So it comes with 3 of their glitter shadow or their liquid shadow. This goes for $25. They just have like a metallic finish to them. They can give a really pretty like wet look. You can wear them alone, you can wear them on top of shadow, and I just think they're stunning. That's fire. Yes, ooh. So these are a little bit smaller than the normal size ones, but I have 2 of them and I have the full size ones, and I've never gone to the end, like I've never used them all, so I doubt I'll use all of these. I prefer the minis. That's just a personal preference. You can break them up and use them, not use them, but give them as like stocking stuffers, or you could just keep them for yourself, which is what I'm gonna do. Then I went ahead and like moseyed on over to the Sephora sales section, and I picked up this Sephora Collection Complexion Perfection Brush Set. Geez, that's a name. So you get 4 different brushes. These are all for foundation or your complexion and concealer. I personally love Sephora brushes. They are some of my favorite brushes that I personally use. I've mentioned that numerous times in my tutorials that Sephora brushes, like, they've lasted me forever. So for $25 and 4 different Sephora brushes is a steal. Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb How Many Carats? It's so pretty. Oh. The Diamond Balm is $38. They call it a cream to powder, but it's just like a super finely milled powder. Like the texture is interesting. It's not wet though. I would say pick that up for yourself. It's like a glitter in my hair. I see it. No, I don't. Okay, this next item, I look forward to this every year because Sephora does this every year. It's the Sephora Favorites Lashstash Mascara Wardrobe. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that, but it comes with 10 mascaras. 2 of them are full size, and then the rest are minis. This is a good way to try different mascaras out there and kind of find the one that's for you. It's like dating. You gotta sample them first. But you also get these 2 full-size mascaras and the Lancome Hypnose Drama. Yeah, this one right here. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's just so pricey. This set was $48 and this mascara alone is like $30, so sign me up. Also, I personally believe that mini mascaras work better than the full-size ones. I like mini better. Do you like mini better? This is a great gift to hand out. So sometimes if I do like, if I'm handing out Christmas cards to somebody, I'll throw in like a little mini mascara. Is that cute or is that weird? Actually, now I think about it. Well, it was a thought that counts. This makes like a good stocking stuffer. You can break them up and put them in different stockings or keep them for yourself. Love that. We have the Tatcha bestseller set. It's $60. I personally haven't tried any of Tatcha skincare products, so I felt like this was my time to kind of try. I've heard nothing but good things about like the skin mist and also the water cream. So I just felt like I might as well get the set, see how I like it, and then if I end up liking it, I can commit to the fuller size stuff, you know? I'm a sample queen. I like to sample things before I commit. The Beautyblender Sweet Indulgence Beauty Sampler Set. You get 4 different beauty blenders, and then you also get 4 mini soaps. So this is $65, and this, again, you can like gift these if you want to be really nice, or keep them for yourself, and you're set for like 2 years, because one beauty blender has lasted me like 6 months. This I felt like is an investment into my future because I'm not gonna have to buy a beauty blender for a while. You see, I originally went to Sephora thinking like I'm gonna get everyone gifts, but really I just got myself a bunch of gifts. This next one I picked up for myself because I'm selfish, I guess. This is Sephora Pro Pigment palette in New Nudes. This is $68 for all of your looks. So actually today I used it. Can you tell? Probably not. I'll have to do a tutorial on it. But I used these ones over here and this one right there on my lid. I like it because you get warm tones, but you also get cooler tones. So it's a mixture of both. And some really pretty shimmers, a lot of mattes too. And I love a good matte eyeshadow. You could give this as a gift to somebody or just keep it for yourself. I say keep it for yourself. It's a nice heavy duty palette. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Yeah, I just like it a lot. And that was it, which was like really quick, but okay, that's all I got. Let me know down below if you picked up any of these items or what you're gonna get, what I should get. Actually, I don't need more stuff, so don't recommend anything. Thank you so much. But I hope you have a good day today. You make good choices, and I will see you guys later. Bye.